Peppa and George are watching Detective Potato on TV.
Help me, Detective Potato. I cannot find my bicycle.
Aha! This is your bicycle.
No, it is not.
Then this is your bicycle.
Yes, it is. Thank you, Detective Potato.
Detective Potato is great at solving mysteries.
He's the best detective in the world.
Right, that's enough potato for today. We're going to the shopping centre.
Oh, goody! I love the shopping centre. What are we going to buy at the shops?
A big bag of gravel. I'm trying out a new concrete mix idea.
Oh.
This is the shopping centre. First, Daddy Pig has to find somewhere to park.
This floor is full.
So where do we park, Daddy?
Don't worry, there are lots of other floors. Oh, this floor is full too. Oh, up we go.
Everywhere looks the same.
Yes, that's why you must always remember what floor you park your car on, so you can find your car again. I don't believe it. Not a single space.
There's a space.
Brilliant. Well done, Peppa.
The car is parked.
Now we take the lift to the shops.
What button do we press?
Let's see. Are the shops on floor 6 or floor 3? Here we go. Floor 5 for the shops.
Here is Miss Rabbit's gravel shop.
Hello, Daddy Pig.
Hello, Miss Rabbit. 1 bag of gravel, please.
Help yourself. It's heavy, so I hope you don't have far to go.
Oh, I only have to carry it to the car. Ugh. My goodness, that is a bit heavy.
I hope you find your car. I'm always losing my car in that huge car park.
What button do I press, Daddy?
Just press the number of the floor we parked on.
So, what floor do we park on?
Good question. Let's try level 6.
Where is our car, Daddy?
It doesn't seem to be here.
Oh dear, Daddy Pig has lost the car.
Let's try another floor.
This is fun.
Peppa likes going up and down in the lift.
Hello.
Here are Police Officer Panda and Police Officer Squirrel.
Is there anything we can help you with?
Daddy has lost our car.
Well, it's not really lost. I've just forgotten exactly where I parked it.
A lost car.
Fluffy McTuffy, oh my.
In a place of hundreds of cars, where everywhere looks the same.
This will be a very hard mystery to solve. Name, please.
Daddy Pig.
Daddy Pig. Address?
Can't we just look for the car?
I'm afraid not. This will take time to solve.
It's not like on the television where they solve mysteries in a flash.
It's Detective Potato.
At your service.
Detective Potato? Daddy lost our car.
Aha! That is a mystery only I can solve.
Thank you, but we don't need any help.
We have the situation under control.
Quiet, please. I need silence to work. This is your car.
No.
This is your car.
No.
This is your car.
Yes, that is our car.
Detective Potato has solved the mystery.
Hooray!
Oh, well done.
That was amazing.
Ho, ho, ho! It's all in a day's work for a potato.
Guess who?